Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a simple and casual dress that you can wear to lots of different occasions, I want to show you this dress from LONGYUAN. I really love it. So this dress is so comfortable, and even though it is a more casual style, you can really dress this up or dress it down. You can use it even as a beach cover-up, which is what I originally bought it for, but ended up using it just as a really quick wardrobe option for going around town and going out to dinner, things like that. So this is the navy color. It comes in a ton of different options. Some of my favorite features are this material, so soft. It is unbelievable. It's stretchy, it's super comfortable, it's flattering for lots of different body types. It's a little bit more snug up top, and then it has this fun swing detail on the bottom. It has pockets, which everybody loves, and you can't go wrong. And I also love that it actually is a little bit longer length. It comes right about to my knee. I'm 5'2", and I got this in a size medium. So the dress itself is simple and plain, which is perfect for customizing and adding all of your own accessories to it and making it your own. And it just makes for a really versatile wardrobe staple. So if you're looking for something like that, that you can pair with all of your favorite accessories and have a really quick outfit, top and bottom, totally done in one easy step, this is a really great option. And that is my point of view.